Hi, welcome to my class today. This is Theorem with Victor. We want to continue our series on the circle theorem, and today we are talking about the angles in the same segment. Whenever angles are formed in the same segment by the same chord, those angles must be equal. So to illustrate this theorem very well, we need to study this diagram. So we have a circle, and then we have a line from A to B. Recall, whenever we have a straight line from one point of the circumference down to the other point of the circumference without passing through the center, such a line is called a chord. And if it does pass through the center, it becomes a diameter. So line AB is a chord. And what a chord does is to divide a circle into segments. So this chord must have divided this circle into two segments. The first segment is from the chord up. The region from the chord above is the first segment. And then the second segment is the region from the chord below. Of course, by eyeball test, this is bigger than this. So we call this the major segment, and we call this the minor segment. Remember, a segment is a region bounded by a chord and an arc. So we have a chord and an arc, which makes this region a segment, the minor one because it's small, and then this particular region, the major segment because it is big. So everything here is at the same segment. So this angle and this angle is at the same segment. Then what happens next? We notice that this chord AB moved down to form the angle X at C in the major segment. The same chord AB moved down to form an angle Y at D at the same major segment. So these two angles are formed by this chord at the same segment. And this theorem is telling us that this angle must be equal to this angle. Therefore, angle X must be equal to angle Y. The reason is that X and Y, the angles, are formed at the same segment by the same chord at the circumference. So that is what we have. Angles in the same segment are equal. So whenever you see a diagram like this and you notice a chord forming an angle at one segment and the same chord forming another angle at the same segment, those two angles must be equal. So with the lettering, we can call angle X ACB. So angle ACB, we cap C because the angle was formed at C is equal to angle ADB. Angle ADB, we cap D. So angle at the same segment are equal. Kindly like, follow, share, and invite all your friends to this series. Bye.